My goodness, look at this image from the Apollo 8 orbital image. You won't believe what are those. They're not stars, those are structures. Exactly like Robert Peternell showing the moon is your worst nightmare video work. Look at these tubes that come from the surface. They look like space elevators. Look at that. And they go into the moon. Look, there's not just one, there's several of them. That's not part of the image. It's not the image, it's teaching. It's there physically. Oh my golly. So it comes from the surface of the moon. I brighten it up a lot to be able to see what's in the space part, this part right here. And then look at this part. There's another tube. But there are all these structures. There is one that looks like one of the craters on the moon that is blue. Check this out. Right there. Look what this thing looks like. Wow, man, it's insane. Look what that thing looks like. Huh? And then look all these objects, structures. Those are no objects, those are structures. Exactly as Robert showed on his video work. Look at that. And one of them has a tube right here. Look at that. They tried to erase all they could. It was not enough. They did a sloppy work. Look, there's another tube right there. Look, boom. And you can see rows and rows just go, and it melts in the darkness. It just disappears in the darkness because they erase. They delete the image methodically, but up and down, side to side, but they didn't do a good job. They didn't scrub the entire thing. They probably thought, oh, those far away things, those are stars. Yeah, a star like this? Really? Nah. It's a tube that's sticking to that dark deal, which is what I call this space, the solar system structure. We are inside it. Look at this object right here, this structure right here. See, when you darken it, that's all you see, that diagonal deal. Look at that. Wow, man, there's so many of them. Look at that. That's the same one I just showed. So, there are so many. Look at this other one up here. And what the shape is, well, the same one I've been talking about. A hand, a fingernail from a hand, a finger. Look at that. And you see how it goes deep and it disappears into the dark deal. Look at that. there's another one right there, real clear. Look at that. Exactly like the other one. Oh, those are saucers. No, they're not any freaking saucers. Those are structures. Look at the edge of the image where that tube is. Look, the tube, if that was a line, a stitching line, wouldn't have fat parts, all irregular. And then look at the bottom of it. Yes, look at that. Look, and all the structure right there. Look at that. Check it out. Because if you darken the image, all you see is the brightest object. You don't see all this deal that's there, all this smaller structure. Look at that. Look at that right there. Oh, those are image artifacts. No, there's no any damn image artifact. Look, they're all perfectly aligned, vertical. So that means there are tubes there in every which way. Like this. Like this. That one visible. Another one right there. There's one right close to the edge. So there's hundreds, I mean, so many tubes. And it continue like panels. Another one here. Another one here. Another one here. All these tubes go through the moon and continue into space, because the solar system is constructed like that, in panels or regular intervals. See, look, there's one in the middle of that one, but it's so faded, it's impossible to unless you do an image recovery with a Photoshop. I don't know how to do that. This is all photographic. I don't use Photoshop. As soon as you say Photoshop, that's fake.